To utilize the queue feature, start by opening the platform on your device and logging into your account. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard, where you can begin adding videos to your queue. To do this, hover over a desired video, click the three-part icon at the bottom right, and select Add to Queue from the options. The video will then be added to your queue, which can be viewed at the bottom right of the screen. To add more videos, simply repeat this process. Once your videos are added, you can manage your queue by clicking the Up button on the queue player at the bottom right, which will display your queue options. From here, you can rearrange the order of your videos by clicking the two bars icon and dragging them above or below other videos. To watch a video in full screen, click the Expand button at the top right, and the video will be displayed in full screen along with the queue. To manage your queue further, you can remove individual videos by clicking the three bars next to a video and selecting Remove from Queue. Repeat this process to remove multiple videos. If you wish to clear your entire queue, simply click Clear at the top right, and all videos will be deleted. By following these steps, you can effectively use the queue feature to organize and watch your videos one after another.